solve using quadratic formula. So we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 35 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation given in the standard form as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? And you are asked to solve this, that is find the value of x by using this quadratic formula. Okay, so let us go. And in my first step, I will identify what are my ABCs, the values of this ABC by comparing with my standard form. Alright, so let's go. A is equal to how much? This is A, right? A, then B is 3, C is negative 35. So I'll write down A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to negative 35. In fact, before going to this step, I should have verified if there is any greatest common factor in these three terms. If you have any common factor, you can cancel it off. You can divide it throughout, right? Taking away the common factor. In this case, you don't see anything like 2, 3 and 35. There is no common factor. So hence you'll just come to this step. Alright, let us substitute in this formula. My x is equal to, what do you have? Negative b. So minus b is 3 plus or minus square root of b square. Again b is 3 minus 4 times a is 2 times c is negative 35. All the way this, and in the denominator it is 2 times a, that is a is 2 times 2. Now carefully we'll simplify. Negative 3 plus or minus, in the formula I have that plus or minus, square root b square minus 4ac. What is this? 3 square is 9, 3 times 3 is 9. Now minus negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times negative 35. So on multiplication, negative times negative is positive, 8 times 5 is 40, carries 4, 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4, 28. So 9 plus 280. What is 9 plus 280? 289. So inside the square root I'll write 289. And in the denominator it is 2 times 2 gives you a 4. Okay. So next step. See, just one step at a time, and we are trying to do it carefully without making any error. Substituted in the formula and simplified. Now next thing is negative 3 and look for the square root of 289. What is the square root of 289? It appears to be a perfect square, right? It's a square number. 17 times 17 is 289. Let us the square root of 289. See, that is 17. Alright. Let's continue. So I will write 17 divided 4. Now in my next step, x is equal to negative 3 plus 17. Now I am breaking this plus or minus apart. Divide 4 to give you negative 3 plus 17, that is 17 minus 3 is 14 divide 4, which is 2 times 7 divide 2. So x is equal to 7 over 2 by taking a plus 17. Also x is equal to negative 3 minus 17 divide 4. Negative 3 minus 17 is minus 20 divide 4, which is negative 5. That is x is equal to negative 5. So my final answer, x is equal to negative 5 comma 7 over 2. So these are the solutions for the given quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 35. Okay, let me go back and show it again. So this is the given quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 35. Identified the values of a, b and c, substituted in this formula and simplified. 3 and just carefully substitute and simplify one step at a time. And especially students, they will get confused at this part also. What is plus or minus? It is nothing but you have to add these two in, like 3 plus 17 and that 3 minus 17, of course with the minus. That is what is meant by plus or minus. Don't get confused. That is, you will have to take the addition and subtraction. That is two answers you will get. Two values for x because of the quadratic. Nothing else. Just take that quadratic equation, identify a, b, c and substitute. Simplify carefully. You will get your answer. So in the next page, I have two questions for you. Solve this 5x square plus 17x minus 12 is equal to 0 and the 4x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So take time and try to solve these two problems. Okay. Thank you.